Sometimes when working with your video editing or 3D software, you run into a plugin that you can't believe you lived without. And I have recently found one in After Effects that I can't believe I ever lived without. And it's the FX Console by Video Copilot, and it's totally free. So I'm going to link this website in my description, and you can download it here. You're going to scroll down to this part where it has a download for Windows and Apple. So pick either or. The download process is super straightforward and easy. And then once you have it installed, it will be ready to be used. So here I have just a single layer. If I hit this shortcut to get the FX console, which is Control Spacebar, I will get this pop-up. You can see right now it's not working because no layer is selected. So I have to have a layer selected when I hit the shortcut. So again, now I have the layer selected. I hit Control Spacebar and I have this nice little search window. So here you can search any effect. So if you're used to using effects and you have favorites, you can just search them by name, motion tile. It's that simple. And now you can see in my effects panel here, it has been applied. It's much easier than right-clicking in your effects and having to navigate if you don't know where it is. It can be confusing, and it's even easier than going to your effects and presets search bar here because you just hit a keyboard shortcut to get it. So it's great. And now I can play around with this. Got my motion tiles going. Beautiful. You can add another effect. So Control Spacebar. I can add blur. Gotta love a Gaussian blur. Pump up the blurriness if I want. Let's go. Boom. Cool. So now I've got effects applied. Very cool. And it's that simple, but there's one more feature that the FX console offers that is amazing. And that is if you hit your Control Spacebar to get that back, you can take super quick snapshots of any of your frames and export them in a flash. So if I take a snapshot now by just clicking that button and then maybe go, I want to take a weird snapshot over here, maybe, who knows, who cares? Control Spacebar, snapshot again. I can hit the next button over, the open gallery, and see all of the snapshots I've taken. So I've got some old ones here, but I've also got the most recent, and I can export these out by just hitting export, and I can save it as a PNG or a JPEG. It's that quick. I don't have to add anything to a render queue. It saves them all, which is cool to be able to see them in real time. So that is the FX console in a nutshell. It's my new favorite little plugin, and especially for finding effects. I can't believe this isn't built into After Effects, but I'm happy that it is free and easy to install. So I hope that you guys find this helpful too. It changes my workflow completely and just makes my life easier, and I hope it does for you too. If you found this video useful, check out my other videos in After Effects, and I just appreciate you watching.
If you want to support me and see what I've been working on, check out my explainer video channel.